Go. Okay. That one didn't even hurt at all.
It's a pain in the booty.
Okay, I'm gonna do a touch. That hurt my chest, and I messed up really bad. And once again, no, I didn't even touch my toes. You didn't? Mm-mm. Okay, I'll do it this time. Do a heartbeat. I'll try. I got this. That was weird. Alright, let's jump to each other now. What? Jump to each other. Jump to each other? You jump from there, I jump from
Oh, okay, yeah.
We could try to smack hands, but I don't know if we can. Me and Brittany like literally jump to each other. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're going too much to each other. What? We're going too much to each other. Okay, we'll go so much. No, like, I was. Oh. And I hurt my foot. My top flew up. We did kind of touch, but. Yeah. But I went too much to the other side. Oh. That's what happened. Alright. That's not saying too much. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Okay, I have to actually jump. I feel like I'm gonna be too late. That was horrible. I was like, oh no! Water got in my nose. I like jumped like a flash. I know. Alright, I'm gonna actually jump. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. We did it! My top is like up to my neck right now. What? My top is like up to my neck. It's volleyball. That looks like a dunk more. Huh? It looks like a dunk too, like. Volleyball, basketball, mix. Slam dunk, ready? 1, 2. Ah! Hell in my vagina. Yeah, every time I get up, I pick my wedgie. I'm like out of breath. Me too. Cannonball. I let go! Alright, I got this cannonball right here. I let go too. Yeah, I don't know why. I'm scared. I'm scared, yeah. I have to like use my arms to get up. Alright. I'm all like that. Ugh. I feel like straight down. Look at all these waves. It's like a tsunami.
Come get in this.
What?
YG.
Can you stop it? Stop it.
Yeah.